everyone and welcome back. I suppose you're all having a fantastic holiday. It's almost end of year, and in this video I'll be sharing with you some items or products that help a lot to elevate my look 2023, and I'll be taking them to 2024. So feel free to leave yours at the comments. Remember, we are all about evolving to be the better version of ourselves. No matter the little steps, we get there and be great. So feel free to the products you used a lot or helped you a lot to elevate your look 2023 you can't do without as well. So this is one of the products I used a lot 2023. This helped me a lot to keep my hair tidy and lay my frontals or wigs down so presentable. Alongside my curly iron, these are the two products I used a lot for my hair because I always depend a lot on hairstylists, and that can be so expensive. Having this at home has saved me a lot of money and ensures I always look put together as well. This is one of my favorites I can't do without, and I'm taking it to 2024 as well. Now the next products are skincare products I can't do without. Like, they've helped improve my skin's appearance a lot, and I'm taking them to 2024. These are the two skincare products I'm taking to 2024 I can't do without. This is an exfoliating scrub, St. Ives Fresh Skin Scrub. Deeply exfoliates and remove impurities for glowing skin. This is my exfoliating scrub I use at least once every week. I activate with natural ingredients like coffee, orange juice, and it does wonders to my skin. This leaves your skin so smooth, fresh, and youthful. And this is my cleanser. This is from CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser for normal to dry skin. Cleanses, hydrates, removes makeup without disrupting the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides, amino acid, and hyaluronic acid. This is so good. Like, I'm taking this to 2024. This is what I use on my face daily, like daily, because you expose your face a lot. Like, your face is the most exposed part on your body, and you need to deep clean it to remove impurities, most especially if you wear makeup. There are days I'll have to wear makeup to shoot my videos or go out. This cleans all makeup from your skin without disrupting the pH of your skin, and like, this is so cleansing. A cleanser is something everyone needs. I don't know which cleanser you use. Leave it down below so I can try as well. But I swear by this is so good, and it leaves my skin always so clean and smooth. I hardly have pimples on my face or acne, and just because of using a cleanser. So this is something I can't do without. One of my best products of 2023, and I'm taking it to 2024. Now the next product or thing I'm taking to 2024, like, I can't do without, are my sunglasses. Yeah, my dark sunglasses. This I can't do without. My sunglasses. This protects your eyes from UV rays, most especially during summer period when it can be so hot. You need to protect your eyes from the UV rays, and as soon as you put this on, it instantly elevates your look. Like, if you've been watching my videos, you know I love me some sunglasses. I love them. They elevate your look and make you look so beautiful instantly. Like, this is something I can't do without, and I'm taking it to 2024. Now the third product I used a lot 2023 was my Studio Fix foundation powder. I used this a lot. There are days you feel like not having to go through the foundation, concealer, like all that process can take like an hour. Trust me, this is my go-to. This is easy. You just have to get your foundation brush and apply this without stress, and I equally use it with my bronzer. This bronzer from Becca Cosmetics, I love it so much as well. As you can see, I have already hit the pan of this bronzer. I use it alongside my Studio Fix foundation for my everyday. By the way, I'm a minimalistic person when it comes to makeup, and you know, I always like to keep it simple, and these two I can't do without, and I'm taking to 2024. This is Studio Fix MAC Cosmetics foundation powder, and I'm in the shade NC 44.5. I love this, and this is going to 2024. Now, as a woman, we always want to have our nails done, like our nails look presentable. So I always have this at home, this OPI nail polish. I love it. It looks so good and so rich on your nails. I use them a lot, this OPI nail polish. I always have them at home because it's not all the time I visit the manicure pedicure shop to do my nails. There are days I actually do them myself at home, and that can be cost effective as well. I only tend to do my nails when I have a party or when I just want to feel good and have someone do it for me. But trust me, 70% of the time I use my nail polish, and I love this OPI nail polish. I can't do without them. These are my nail polish I fall for. These are the nail polish I go for, and I'm taking them to 2024 as well. As a woman, you want to have this at home because it makes life a little bit cost effective for you. You don't have to depend all the time paying that money. It can be expensive, and you know, this will save you some dollars to have this at home and do your nails yourself. And you know, so that is just me. What is your point on this? How do you treat your nails? Which nail polish is your best? Which is your go-to, so I can try as well and have my nails always look presentable as well? So yeah, this, I'm taking them to 2024, and I just can't do without them. I almost forgot to mention these exfoliating gloves. This is something I can't do without as well. This is backup. I use this on a daily basis to ensure I remove dead skin cells from my skin as well. I only use my exfoliating scrub, like this scrub, I only use it once a week, but this sponge I use it daily with my soap, my Dove, my regular Dove shower gel. That is what I use on my sponge daily. I use this because you want to ensure you remove all impurities on your skin, so your skin doesn't look clogged and dirty, you know. So this is a must have. This is something I've been using for years. I used a lot this 2023, and I'm taking to 2024 as well. Now, these next products are close to my heart. Like, I love smelling good. I'm addicted to smelling good, and I can't do without these products I'll be sharing with you. These fragrances, like this is from Chanel Chance Au Tendre. As you can see, I almost hit the bottle. See the dent? It's almost done. I can't do without these two. I use this most especially at bedtime, or there are times I layer these two together and I smell so good. I smell so good. Like, you can't, like, this is Risa in a bottle. This is so good. This is proof I love this a lot. I already got backup for this. This is backup for the summer because I'm almost done with this. This leaves my body smelling so good. This is so fresh and welcoming. Like, this is people pleasing. You know, some fragrances are dark, and I have some fragrances I just use to feel good about myself. Like, not everyone will love, but this is that one fresh girl fragrance everyone will love. Like, this will gravitate people towards you, and you get a lot of compliments. Like, this is my everyday, and I can't do it. Like, almost my signature scent with this. These are my go-to for 2023 to smell good, and I'm taking them to 2024 as well. Now, for my feminine hygiene, or to have down there always smell fresh and clean, I always use this honey pot soothing wash. Yeah, this is what I use for my down there. I use this a lot because this is all natural, and I've been using all 2023, and I realized how fresh my down there smells. And you know, this is so good. Plus, it prevents any bacteria that might culture down there. Most especially when you expose yourself, you come back home, you use a restroom you're not sure of. This is very essential. Just have this at home. Even if you're not using daily, on days you expose yourself and come back home, this is something you want to use. This cleanses your down there without disrupting the pH, you know, and you're always just so good. And yeah, I just wash the outer area. You don't have to put this inside, like you just wash the outer area without like having this product get inside. Yeah, I hope you understand. This is my go-to for 2023 for the female area, and I'm taking it to 2024. Now my everyday handbag of 2023 goes to this red bag. I used it a lot 2023 because it has a lot of space. It carries everything from my iPad, my camera, my makeup, my everyday fragrance, like everything, my notebook. This carries everything. So this is my most used and most loved 2023 everyday handbag, and this is going to 2024, unless you want to propose or share with me another very useful everyday handbag, like a bag you can use. When I say useful, it means you can carry everything for. So leave me some suggestions at the comments in case you watch till this point of the video, so I can try. But I love this bag. 2024, I'll have to keep using this as well. So that is what I wanted to share with you today. I hope I haven't left something out I was supposed to share, but 2024 I'll keep sharing with you products or things that help elevate my look, so we can all evolve together and be great. No matter the little steps, we get there and be great. Yeah, life is all about improving, and you can only be the better version of yourself by improving, working hard to, you know. So share with me your own products you couldn't deal with without 2023 you're taking to 2024, so I can try some of them. We can all learn and be great. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.